The U.S. stocks fell on Friday as Wall Street worried that U.S.-China trade talks had encountered an obstacle. The pullback pushed the major stock indices into weekly lows, the first after 3 weeks of gains. The S&P 500 was off by 0.5% on Friday and ended below 3,000, a level that may be emerging as a pivot point for the market going forward. For the week, the index also lost 0.5%. The trade jitters were the big reason for the market's fall and were triggered by reports that a Chinese agricultural delegation decided not to visit farms in Nebraska and Montana and instead headed home. The worry was that cancellations were a signal that trade talks between the US and China weren't going well. The Dow Jones Industrial Average declined by nearly 160 points on Friday and was close to its low on the day. The Dow ended the session at 26,931.07 with a 0.9% weekly loss. The US President Donald Trump said that it would take more than agriculture purchases to settle the trade dispute, but there was no official explanation for the departures. The jitters hit tech stocks hard. Thus, the Nasdaq Composite slid by 0.8% on Friday to end at 8,117.67. For the week, the tech-heavy index fell by 0.9%. Healthcare stocks were higher after U.S. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said that a drug pricing proposal from House Speaker Nancy Pelosi was dead and will not be considered in the Senate. Shares of healthcare company Merck were among top performers on the day. The stock closed higher at $85.16 with a 2.2% weekly gain. Meanwhile, shares of streaming company Roku fell by 19% after Pivotal Research issued a sell rating and price target of $60 on the stock, concerned over heightening competition in the space. The stock ended the session at $108.05, plunging by the whopping 26.8% for the week, its most dismal weekly performance since its 2017 IPO. You've watched Weekly Financial Review on Insta TV. See you back soon.